In this tutorial, I will show you how to make digital stickers in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Set the canvas size depending on how large you want your stickers. A small square size works well for digital stickers. After the canvas opens, go to the Elements section on the left side. Search for icons, shapes, or illustrations that you want to turn into stickers. Drag the element onto your canvas and customize it. You can change the colors, resize it, or add text to create your own unique sticker design. You can also combine multiple elements together to create more creative sticker styles. If you want to create more stickers, click Add Page and design another sticker on the new page. Repeat the process until you have all the stickers you want. When your stickers are ready, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG as the file format and enable transparent background so the sticker does not have a white box around it. Download the file and your digital stickers will be ready to use in apps like digital planners, notes apps, or social media designs.